Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you the best lower body exercise in the world. In my opinion, of course, the split squat. Let me show you why. The split squat is one of those unique exercises that provide strength, flexibility, as well as stability in the form of balance, all in one exercise. Place your leg on a raised surface behind you, either a chair, a couch, or your spouse. Make sure your pelvis and your hips are in line and just go to the floor and up you come. The strength component, you'll definitely feel it on the side. The flexibility component is on the hip flexor of the leg that's resting on the chair or the supporting surface. And while the balance aspect is the fact that I haven't fallen by now. If you really want to drive in the flexibility component of the back leg hip flexor, then once you in the down position, push off the back leg rather than the front leg. And that helps to strengthen the hip flexor in a stretch position, which contributes to lengthening. Say that 5 times fast. If you found that useful, stay safe, stay strong, stay split squatting.